Overthinking is your brain looping because it doesn't know when to stop. Here are 2 quick hacks to stop overthinking. The first one is telling your mind this: I'll think about it tomorrow at 6 p.m. Not now, later. The second one is telling your mind, this is overthinking, not intuition, not a warning. And here are 3 things that can make overthinking even worse. The first one is trying to stop your thoughts. The second one is judging yourself for thinking too much. And the third one is forcing yourself to be positive. Your overthinking isn't anxiety, it's your brain with no job.